Have you ever stopped to wonder why you exist? Not just as a person, but as you, a one-of-a-kind combination of tiny building blocks called atoms, coming together in a way that has never happened before and will never happen again. Think about it. The universe is huge, bigger than anything we can even imagine. It's filled with stars, planets, and galaxies stretching across billions of years. And yet here you are, a living, thinking being, aware of yourself, asking questions about your own existence. That's pretty incredible, isn't it? Today we're going to explore a big question. Does your life truly matter? In a universe so vast, with so many stars and so much time before and after us, does one single life, your life, make a difference? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. But before we dive into those deep ideas, let's start with something simple. You are here, right now, breathing, thinking, feeling, existing. And that alone is a miracle worth exploring. Let's begin with the science of your existence, because your story doesn't start on Earth. No, it begins in the hearts of ancient stars. Billions of years ago, the universe was simple, a vast ocean of just two elements, hydrogen and helium. But then something amazing happened. These tiny particles came together to form the first stars, gigantic, glowing spheres of fire that burned for millions of years. Inside these stars, something incredible was happening. Creation. In their fiery cores, new elements were being born. Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, the very building blocks of life. But these elements couldn't stay locked inside forever. When the stars reached the end of their lives, they exploded in massive supernovae, sending these precious ingredients across the universe, like cosmic seeds scattering in the wind. Fast forward 4.5 billion years, and one of those seeds became Earth. On this young planet, something special was brewing. Water, energy, and tiny molecules called amino acids came together in a swirling, bubbling mixture. Scientists call it the primordial soup. And from this cosmic recipe, the first tiny living cells emerged. Life had begun. Over billions of years, those first cells changed, adapted, and evolved. They became plants, animals, and eventually, you. Every single atom in your body has traveled through time and space. The oxygen you breathe, the carbon in your bones, even the iron in your blood, it was all forged in the heart of a dying star, long before Earth even existed. You are, quite literally, made of stardust. But that brings us to a deeper question. Why you? Why this exact collection of atoms, this unique consciousness, in this exact moment? To answer that, we have to explore the very nature of existence itself. The universe is huge, so big that it's almost impossible to imagine. It stretches 93 billion light-years across, filled with trillions of galaxies, and in each of those galaxies, billions of stars and planets. Now zoom in. Among all of that, there's one tiny planet, a small blue world floating in the vast emptiness of space. That's Earth, our home. And on this little planet, there are 8 billion humans. You are one of them, living for just a tiny moment in the grand timeline of the universe. It's easy to wonder, do I even matter? Am I just a speck of dust, here for a blink and then gone? But here's the paradox. Significance isn't something the universe gives to us, it's something we create. Right now, you are thinking. Your mind, made up of billions of tiny brain cells, is firing with energy, asking questions, wondering about the universe. And here's the mind-blowing part. You are the universe asking itself questions. Think about that for a second. The universe doesn't care about beauty, but you create art. It doesn't care about love, but you form deep connections with others. It doesn't care about meaning, but you search for it every single day. In a universe filled with randomness and chaos, you are different. You bring order, you bring purpose. You are a creator of meaning in a universe that gives none. And that is something truly incredible. Quantum physics tells us something strange. Particles, the tiny building blocks of everything, don't exist in just one place. Instead, they exist everywhere at once, as a cloud of possibilities until they are observed. But here's a mind-blowing idea. What if you are the universe's way of observing itself? Think about it. You see the colors of a sunset. You feel the power of music. You experience love in a simple glance. These moments aren't just happening to you. They exist because you are here to witness them. Your existence isn't an accident. It's a rebellion against chaos, a tiny flicker of order in a universe that tends toward randomness. Some philosophers, like Jean-Paul Sartre and Albert Camus, believe that life has no built-in meaning. At first, that might sound a little scary, but actually, it's freeing. Because if the universe doesn't assign meaning, that means you get to create it. Your choices, your relationships, your passions. These are the brushstrokes in a painting 13.8 billion years in the making. You are not just watching the universe unfold. You are shaping it, with every thought, every action, every single moment. Sometimes we feel small because the universe is so big. But here's the truth. Size has nothing to do with meaning. The universe isn't just out there, stretching across billions of light years. It's here, in the space between your hands. In every connection you make, in every act of kindness, in every time you choose curiosity over despair. You are not a speck of dust lost in the cosmos. You are a collaborator in the universe's story. So, breathe. You are here. You are now. And in this tiny, improbable moment of space-time, you get to decide what matters. The universe didn't create you to be small. It created you to be, to wonder, to create, to love, to stand in awe of the great mystery of existence. You are made of dead stars, but you are alive. You are temporary, but so are supernovae, and they light up entire galaxies. Your life is a brushstroke in a masterpiece that has been 13.8 billion years in the making. And when the weight of existence feels heavy, when the questions seem too big to answer, remember this: the fact that you can question your purpose is the purpose. To wonder is to participate in the cosmos. So go, marvel at the mystery. Share your light, and never forget, in a universe of infinite possibilities, there has never been and will never be another you.